Good day to all employers there in Hong Kong. My name is Marichelle Duyapat Daen, 35 years old. I'm married. I'm 158 centimeter in height and 69 kilogram in weight. I finished my study at Ifugao State University, Associate in Computer Science Technology. My husband is Mark Simon Daen, and we have three kids: 15 years old girl, 8 years old boy, and a 5 years old girl. Ma'am, sir, I do not have any body tattoos, serious illnesses, skin diseases, and I do not smoke. My first employer are five members, two adults, one elderly woman, and a 4 years old and 6 years old. They are both boys. My duties are house cleaning, cooking, washing, and marketing. My second employer are four members, two adults and two kids, 1 year old girl and a 3 years old boy. My duties are house cleaning, cooking, and sometimes marketing if my employer is in the house to take care the kids. Ma'am, sir, I know how to cook Filipino food but not Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn. My husband and my parents are willing to support my kids while I work there in Hong Kong to provide the needs of my kids and to save money for my kids' future. To my future employer, kindly hire me because I'm loyal, trustworthy, and a hardworking woman. I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities responsibly. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.